Yo, people, what's good? This is Black. I'm here with my friend right here because I don't know why he's trying to be in the video, but whatever.
You already know.
It's the last year. It's the last Friday of the year. First Shot Friday. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. I'm here with Stalin Polanco. And I want him to Pro 50, right? Pro 50? The hopper. The big hopper. 6 stairs? Oh, this kid's falling off the stairs and shit? So let's see it. Stalin Polanco right now. We gotta go down here to see it better. The light. The sunlight. Did you get it? Oh, you gotta get it away, people. Yo, watch out. One more try. One more try. Second try Fridays. Oh my God. Alright, third try. Come on, one more. Come on, Stalin, you got it. Stalin Polanco. Third try.
That's Stalin.
What?
That's Stalin.
That is Stalin? We're done. Cut. Beautiful.